Did you know that the term beer belly is actually a misnomer? It's not just beer but also chips, cookies and late-night pizza that contribute to that unwanted belly fat. Belly fat, or the stubborn midsection fluff, is often seen as a sign of poor diet and lack of exercise. But it's not just about aesthetics. Belly fat can also be a red flag for underlying health issues like diabetes and heart disease. Now let's talk about a popular weight loss method that's been making waves recently. It's called intermittent fasting, a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It's not so much about what you eat but when you eat. And no, it's not just another fad diet, it's a lifestyle change backed by science. So here's the million-dollar question: can intermittent fasting kiss your belly fat goodbye? Intermittent fasting, or IF, is like the cool kid on the dietary block. But what is it really? Picture this. It's like you're at a party where everyone's having a blast, and then the lights go out. That's your body on IF, throwing a metabolic party when you eat and taking a power nap when you fast. Now IF isn't just one fits all. It's a bit of a chameleon, changing colors to suit your lifestyle. Some people prefer the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Some folks are more into the 5-2 method, where they eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. And then there's the eat-stop-eat method, where you fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. Sounds intense, right? But don't worry, you're not going to turn into a hangry Hulk. Your body's smarter than that. So how does this all work? Well, when you're in the eating phase, your body is like a busy bee, absorbing nutrients and storing energy. But when you're fasting, it's like your body switches gears and starts burning that stored energy. It's like your body's very own energy recycling program. Cool, huh? But here's the kicker. IF isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. It's less don't eat that cupcake and more eat that cupcake later. It's not a hall pass to eat all the junk food you want during your eating window. It's about giving your body a chance to hit the reset button. So, IF is essentially a diet plan that tells you when to eat, not what to eat. Sounds easy, right? But remember, just like any party, IF needs the right guest list. You still need to invite nutritious foods to keep your body healthy and happy. So are you ready to give this cool kid a try? If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Alright, we know what you're thinking. Get to the point. Can intermittent fasting help me lose this belly or not? So let's cut to the chase and talk about the potential benefits of IF. Firstly, intermittent fasting works as a natural calorie restrictor. By limiting your eating window, you're likely to consume fewer calories overall. And as we all know, when you burn more calories than you consume, you lose weight. It's like magic, but with less abracadabra and more self-discipline. And yes, some of that weight loss can indeed come from your belly. Now, let's talk hormones. No, not the ones that make you cry at puppy commercials. We're talking about the ones that help your body burn fat. Intermittent fasting can influence hormones like insulin and growth hormone in a way that encourages fat burning. And while we can't guarantee that your body will target your belly fat specifically, there's a good chance some of it will come from there. But here's a crucial point to remember. Your body isn't a stubborn toddler. It doesn't just throw a tantrum and refuse to lose fat from where you want it to. Fat loss happens across your body, and yes, that can include your belly. However, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. While IF can help you lose weight and potentially belly fat, it doesn't come with a guarantee. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You might hit the jackpot, or you might just end up with a fancy piece of paper. So, does intermittent fasting help lose belly fat? It can. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. And remember, belly fat or not, the ultimate goal is to improve your overall health and well-being. But before you get too excited, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Sorry to burst your bubble, but intermittent fasting isn't a magic bullet for belly fat loss. Yes, I know it would be fantastic if all it took was skipping breakfast to make that stubborn belly fat vanish, but reality is a bit more complicated. Let's talk about some of the nuances of intermittent fasting, shall we? First off, let's chat about individual variability. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting works differently for everyone. Think of it like a pair of jeans. Just because it fits your best friend perfectly doesn't necessarily mean it will fit you the same way. And then there's the importance of diet and exercise. You see, combining intermittent fasting with a healthy diet and regular exercise is like the holy trinity of overall fat loss. It's like having a superhero team, where intermittent fasting is the leader, but it needs its sidekicks diet and exercise to really save the day. But hold on, don't zoom in on that belly fat too much. Focusing solely on belly fat is like trying to spot a specific grain of sand on a beach. It's important to aim for sustainable weight management and overall body composition improvement. It's not just about looking good in a swimsuit, It's about feeling good in your own skin every single day. Now, if you're thinking about giving intermittent fasting a try, remember to consult a healthcare professional first. It's like asking for directions before embarking on a journey. They can guide you based on your goals and health conditions to ensure it's safe and suitable for you. Also, always prioritize nutrient-rich foods. Whether you're fasting or not, you still need your fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. It's the fuel your body needs to function optimally. Lastly, listen to your body. If intermittent fasting feels like a chore or is draining your energy, don't force it. Adjust your approach or find another strategy that works for you. Remember, your body is like a unique piece of art. It deserves to be treated with care and respect. So it seems there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to intermittent fasting and belly fat loss. But fear not, we have some tips for you. So, you're ready to give IF a shot. Fantastic. But first, let's set you up for success. Let's start with a pro tip. Before you plunge headfirst into the world of intermittent fasting, make sure to consult a healthcare professional. They can guide you based on your individual health conditions and goals. Remember, IF is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's like a suit, it needs to be tailored to fit you perfectly. Now, once you've got the green light, let's talk diet. No, we're not suggesting you live on a steady diet of kale smoothies and quinoa salads, but prioritizing whole foods is key. Think fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-rich foods will ensure your body gets the fuel it needs, even when you're fasting. And who knows, you might discover a newfound love for avocado toast or chickpea curry. Moving on to our next tip, listen to your body. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's easy to overlook when you're eager to see results. Pay attention to your energy levels and hunger cues. If you feel like you're running on empty, or your stomach is staging a hunger strike, it might be time to adjust your fasting window. Remember, IF is not about starving yourself, it's about strategic timing. So, what's the secret sauce to making IF work for you? It's a blend of professional guidance, a balanced diet, and tuning into your body's signals. But the most important ingredient? Patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and nor will your dream physique be. It's a journey, not a sprint. As you embark on your IF journey, remember to focus on overall health, not just the number on the scale or the size of your waistline. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about losing belly fat, it's about gaining health. So remember folks, it's not just about losing belly fat, it's about gaining health. So, can intermittent fasting help you lose belly fat? Well, it's a yes but situation. We've navigated the complex waters of intermittent fasting and its potential role in shedding that stubborn belly fat. Remember, the key takeaways are, IF can help reduce overall calorie intake and influence certain hormones which may promote fat burning. However, its effectiveness varies from person to person and isn't a guaranteed solution for targeting belly fat. Diet, exercise, and a focus on overall health are still the main actors on this stage. If you're considering IF, consult a healthcare professional first, prioritize nutrient-rich foods, and listen to your body. It's not about forcing a new regimen, but finding what works for you. We'd love to hear your experiences with IF and any questions or concerns you might have. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with others who might be on the fence about IF. Remember, a healthier you is just a click away. Now that we've explored the ins and outs of intermittent fasting and its potential impact on belly fat, we hope you found this video both helpful and informative. If you want to continue your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, consider subscribing to our channel. We're constantly updating our content with more health and wellness tips, backed by the latest research. Also, if you know someone who might be interested in intermittent fasting or is struggling with belly fat, please share this video with them. It could be the nudge they need to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, your health is your wealth. So, subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful videos on health and wellness. Until then, stay healthy and take care.